Happy Independence Day to all. This day we celebrate the 74th year of Indian independence. We remember with a thankful heart the sacrifices of our freedom fighters, our brave hearts who have toiled hard to make India free from the clutches of the British rule. We must keep in mind the sacrifices, and we must make India progress and prosper so that it can shine brightly among the nations of the world. We must instill in children the feeling of patriotism. This is the time when children come to school to celebrate Independence Day. But this year, unfortunately, due to the pandemic caused by coronavirus, children must stay at home. That is for the safety of the children, their family, the society, and the whole world. Let us be a part of this fight against corona so that we can stay healthy and stay safe. Let us on this day remember what our freedom fighters have taught us. They have taught us to remain united so that we will not fall. Let us not misuse the freedom that we have received. Let us fight all kinds of corruption and everything that destroys our unity. Let us remain in harmony with each other. Let this Independence Day be a proud day, a proud moment for each and every one of us, even amidst the pandemic caused by coronavirus. Happy Independence Day to all. Thank you.